went paperless, but I still use a mouse. But now I use a tablet now since 2011, December. Let me draw that eye in there real quick and get the color right. Just to carve that out real quick. This technique is not necessarily the only way to do this. There's a lot of ways to do things in Illustrator, but I want to give you guys a starting point to build your own techniques off of, because I've seen techniques that work really well, and I've got it. That's one of the nice. That's there for the eyes. One more for the nose. One more right there.